Welcome to this video on automating Facebook posts using Codex. We will explore how to streamline your content workflow by leveraging AI to plan, script, and schedule your updates effectively. Automating your Facebook presence offers several key benefits. It saves time, ensures consistent posting, reduces manual errors, and helps you effectively scale your recurring content campaigns. Before you begin, ensure you have the essentials ready: a Facebook page, a Meta developer account, necessary app credentials, access to Codex, and a reliable environment to execute your scripts. Setting up developer access involves creating a Meta app, configuring permissions, linking your Facebook page, generating a long-lived page access token, and testing the connection via the Graph API. Codex can simplify script generation by providing clear prompts, requesting secure environment variables for secrets, and iterating on the code. You can build a reliable and secure automation script. To connect your script to the Facebook Graph API, build your request endpoint, attach your token, include your message text, and optionally add media. Remember to always log responses and never hard-code your secrets. Automate your scheduling by using a cron or task scheduler on a server. Keep your content organized in a calendar, define your timestamps, and verify your jobs through system logs. Go beyond plain text by automating images and captions. Use templates to manage recurring content and create variations to maximize reach across different campaigns. Prioritize security and reliability. Always store secrets in environment variables. Validate your tokens, test in small batches, and monitor your logs to catch and handle errors quickly. In summary, use official APIs, protect your credentials, and ensure human review of your content. Responsible automation, supported by AI, keeps you in control of your strategy and compliance.